had frequent heartburn. My doctor recommended Prilosec OTC 7 years ago.
5 years ago, last week. Just one pill each morning, 24 hours and zero heartburn.
It's been the #1 doctor recommended brand for 10 straight years, and it's still recommended today. Use as directed. Great grain cereals are made from delicious clusters, real fruit, wholesome nuts, and crunchy flakes. Good things come together to make one great thing. Great grains. Why be good when you can be great?
Okay, let's try this.
It says you apply the blue one to me.
Here?
No.
Have a little fun together, or a lot. KY, yours and mine. Two sensations that work together so you can play together.
Welcome to Stouffer's Fit Kitchen. Prime cuts of meat, 25 grams of protein, and savory mouth-watering sides. It's the perfect balance of delicious and nutritious, making it just the right fit for you. Stouffer's Fit Kitchen meals. This is fit.
Crest Complete presents Sugar Shield. Sugar is everywhere. And Crest Complete has a sugar shield to protect teeth from sugar found in everyday foods. Crest Complete, shield your teeth from sugar. So sugar may visit, but it's not sticking around.
Picking up for Kyle?
There you go.
You wouldn't put up with part of a pizza.
Something wrong?
So when it comes to pain relievers, why put up with just part of a day?
Oh. Yes.
Live whole, not part. Aleve.
Select wedding dresses. Originally $700 to $1,600, now $499. Ends February 21st. Only at David's Bridal.
There's a bunch of creepy kids in this house I moved into. Can I claim them as dependents?
Fortunately, you can't, but you may be able to deduct some of your moving expenses.
Good, because I'm gonna have to move again.
It must be possible. There has to be a way to watch more ID. It's right in front of you, Kelly.
When you're a fan of investigation discovery, late night hunt,
No, getting close this time. I can feel it.
you view the world a little differently.
This is actually fascinating.
That's it. It's right in front of me the whole time. 3 more hours a day, 21 more a week. That's over 1,000 more hours a year.
Yay! Watch full episodes anytime, anywhere on ID Go. Free with your TV subscription.
Check out my new talk show, Animal Nation, for hilarious animal clips.